In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your email on the Expedia app. First, open the Expedia app on your mobile device. It's important to ensure you have the latest version of the app. This helps to avoid any unexpected issues during the process. If your app is not updated, head over to your app store and update it before proceeding. Once the app is open, you may be prompted to log in. If you see a login screen, enter your credentials to access your account. Remember, keeping your account secure with a strong password is essential. It protects your personal information and travel plans. Next, tap the account or profile icon located in the bottom navigation bar of the app. This icon often looks like a little person or a silhouette. By tapping this, you'll be directed to the main area where you can manage your account settings and personal information. From there, select your personal profile details. Alternatively, you might see an option for Settings or Update Profile. This is where you can make changes to your account details, such as your email address. Now, locate the section where your current email address is listed. Tap on it to initiate the change. This step is crucial because having the correct email ensures you receive important notifications from Expedia about your bookings and offers. At this point, a verification code will be sent to your current email address. Retrieve this code by checking your email inbox. Sometimes the email might end up in your spam or junk folder, so be sure to check there if you don't see it right away. Once you have the code, copy it, return to the app, paste it into the designated field, and then click Continue. This step is necessary to confirm that you have access to the email account, safeguarding your information. Once your current email is verified, you'll be prompted to add your new email address. Carefully enter the new email and re-enter it to confirm. This double check ensures there are no typos or mistakes in the email address. Then click Update Email. This action will update your email address in Expedia's records. You should see a confirmation message indicating that your email has been successfully changed. This confirmation is your assurance that everything is in order. It's always a good idea to log out and log back in to verify that the changes have taken effect. Changing your email on Expedia is a simple yet important task. It ensures you continue receiving all the critical communications related to your travel bookings and account security. Plus, it keeps your contact information current and accurate. And there you have it. You've successfully updated your email on the Expedia app. Remember, keeping your account information up to date is crucial for a smooth travel experience. Thank you for watching and happy travels.